The coffee table from Horshod store. In this video, I'm going to go over some questions, answer those for you, and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Those questions were, how long does it take to assemble this once you receive it? Do you need any tools of your own when assembling it? And the third question was, when this is lifted up all the way, how far is this off the ground so you know if it's going to fit on your couch or not, and you can slide your legs underneath it when it's fully extended. But let's get into that first question, which is how long does it take to fully assemble? So I was able to get it done in an hour or maybe even less, and I'm not much of a handyman. So if you're good at putting these types of things together, or you do it with multiple people, I was doing it by myself, you could easily get this done in under an hour. It was pretty simple. Everything was labeled nicely, easy instructions. So I was, like I said, it was a pretty simple process. And now that second question, do you need any tools when you're putting it together? So they supply you with the tools, which is just an Allen wrench and a screwdriver, and they supply you with that. So you don't need any tools of your own. It's just two things, really simple. If you can screw in screws, you can get this thing together. And now for that final question, which is, when fully extended, how high does this sit off the ground so you know if it's going to work with your couch or not? So I did measure it from here to the ground. It's 22.5 inches. So I thought that was going to be too short for my couch, but I tested it out. My legs fit under there perfectly, and I really like it. It makes it super easy when you're sitting there and you want to put your laptop on there. Maybe you're working from home or it's time to eat. It's kind of like a TV tray that you can bring out when you want to use it. So overall, this was super convenient to have. I never had a coffee table like this, and I am a fan of it. I always had TV trays sitting around everywhere. So this makes everything look a lot cleaner. You don't have any TV trays sitting around, and you get way more storage too, so you don't have a bunch of things piled on top of your table. Kind of hide it underneath here or in the cubby hole to the side. So overall, I'm super happy with this. Affordable, easy to put together. This gets 2 thumbs up in my book.